All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am here with Nick Sherman. Congratulations, Nick, on getting your real life trading funded account assessment pass. Ka-ching!
Thank you.
10% growth without breaking the rules. How's it feel?
That's pretty awesome. Yeah, it was really cool watching the little 109,800, 109,900, 110,000. Woohoo!
That
So that was awesome.
10%, yeah, that's awesome. Cool. Well, thank you so much for joining us in this quick interview. Tell us just a little bit about yourself. Tell us what you do for a living, where you live. Tell us all the things.
I work in cybersecurity, so I'm a geek by nature, and I am from Ohio.
Awesome. That's
Yeah,
awesome. And tell us a little bit about the specific strategies that you use, because a lot of people ask us all the time, what strategy did you use to get
absolutely.
funded? Tell the deets.
Absolutely. I used a combination of manual trades and bot trades. On the manual trades, I used the 10 EMA and Momo strategies I learned in the 90-day masterclass.
Awesome.
And then on the bot side, I took your bot class and I used the 10 EMA and the NR7 bots.
Awesome. The 10 EMA and the Momo buy is what I heard you say in the 90-day class. Of course, for any of you who've never taken that class, those are the two primary strategies that we go through for day trades and swing trades. And then on the bot trading side, a couple of my favorite bots that you mentioned there. Yep, absolutely. All right. So, Nick, tell us a little bit about the attempts that you made. How many times did it take for you to get an account passed, to get that challenge of 10% growth passed? How many times did that take?
Yeah, it wasn't the first time, unfortunately. It was actually my fifth time. So yeah, I blew through four accounts, learned a lot, took each one of those as an opportunity to know what not to do the next time. But yeah, on the fifth attempt, I got it.
Sure. Are you able to share a little bit about what you did different? Were you too aggressive? Like what would you share there? What would
The
you
things I learned most is not to micromanage my trades, which is easier in the bot world because the bots take the emotion out of it. I'm a micromanager on the bot side, so I would adjust my stop, I would adjust my target, and then it would make a turn, and then I'd end up taking a winning trade and losing it. That and remembering that it's a marathon and not a sprint. So
sure.
I feel like I need to make a lot of trades, and you really don't. You just really need to really be strategic and be more of a sniper and pick the exact trades that are going to work and not be so aggressive and try to get, all your wins done in, 1 week, for example.
Sure. Sure. And do you remember how long it took you? Was it a month? Was it 2 months?
It was
What was
three
the
weeks. It was
three
three
weeks? Okay,
weeks.
perfect. That's
Yep. And it was
awesome.
37 trades, and it was a little lost about 45% and won about 55%, but it was 3 weeks
Awesome.
to the day. Yeah.
Awesome. That's super awesome. So tell us a little bit about the suggestions. What suggestions, guidance would you give to anyone who's somewhere in this funded account journey, somewhere between, just starting out and not yet quite to that 10% goal, had some ups, some downs, some setbacks, all the things. What advice, what suggestions would you give to newer traders on this journey?
Sure. The biggest one would be patient. Like I said, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
Sure.
So, take your trades carefully, plan them out. If you lose a trade, understand why you lost the trade and what you would do differently the next time. Those are probably the biggest ones.
Awesome. Any final and parting thoughts that you would leave with our listeners here today? Any final thoughts?
The biggest one is I had never made a trade a year ago today. I took your 90-day master class, really learned about it. I, saw an advertisement on Instagram. I checked you guys out, found all the free training, went through all that I could, took the 90-day class, really learned the Momo and the 10 EMA strategies, and then really liked what I was learning. So then I took, a couple other classes, including your bot class. So, take advantage of all the resources that are available to you. Really concentrate and spend time on it and, be patient and have fun with it.
Awesome, awesome. Well, what I heard you say was start with some of that free stuff, get kind of consume that, digest that, make sure it makes sense, and then maybe step up into some of the mentor groups or the group training there to grow your account and kind of get a deeper dive on
That's
that.
what I
So,
did, and it really
yeah,
worked. It really made me feel comfortable with making trades and learning how
sure,
to win and how to lose.
sure. Yeah,
It's a
absolutely.
great process.
Awesome. Nick, thanks so much for sharing your story of starting out small. And again, just a year ago, you didn't know anything about trading. Here you are,
Not
pretty
at
much
all.
a ninja or starting ninja. So thanks so much for taking the time to hang out with us today.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.